This is a map of every tropical storm over the last 50 years. Notice anything interesting? Not a single one crosses the equator. But why? Meet the Coriolis effect, a phenomenon caused by Earth's rotation which makes air and water curve as it moves across the surface. The Coriolis effect becomes stronger the farther it is from the equator, making storms move counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Because the Coriolis effect is zero at the equator, any storm that approaches will weaken and die off, which is why no hurricane has ever crossed the equator.